sweetness, and you fill my head with you. Shall I write it in a letter? Shall I try to get it down? Oh, you fill my head with pieces of a song I can't get out. Can I be close to you? Ooh, ooh. Can I be close to you?
Hey, good morning, good morning! You know, another camping trip. Babalik kami ng Akato pero this time may mga iba tayong kasama. Yan si Ren, si Bini Mika. Let's go! Yun po, si Boss Dritch. Boss Dritch. Klong klong.
It's Saturday, it's camping day.
Hey.
It's camping day.
Yan. Kita-kits pagdating sa Akato. Let's go! Welcome, Benguet.
Meron to isa pa.
Sagad kayo kaliwa.
Yung malaki.
Ano, uwi na ako.
Alam mo ba?
Doon yung sa Hotel Grande.
Lalim namin ah.
Mabato, mabato.
Bato.
Dinadaanin lang namin.
Okay guys, malapit na tayo sa Mount Akato. Yan. Let's go. Bati naman kayo sa vlog natin guys, yung mga kasama natin sa likod na naka Ertiga.
Sabota!
Sila pa akin. Ay hindi pag-aakit. Sa wakas, andito na tayo.
Let's go. Morning po.
Sige Johnny, gusto mo
Hindi mo bro. Isa pa po.
Dito na kami sa Mount Akato. Ready na, mag-orient daw ang guide natin dito sa campsite. Ayan. Time check. Anong oras yun? 12 PM. Medyo malamig-lamig. Hey. Okay, let's go.
Shall I write it in a letter? Shall I try to get it down? Oh, you fill my head with pieces of a song I can't get out. Can I be close to you? Ooh. Can I be close to you?
Okay, nakapag-set up na tayo ng ano natin, campsite. Let's go. So habang nag-set up kanina, may nagluluto na ng merienda nating pasta.
The perfect bite.
Charlie Chan. By Johnny Rose. Yun ang mga kasama natin. Kawin naman kayo dyan, oh. Hey. First bite.
Perfect bite.
Yan. Yan ang literal na squamping. Oh. May mga karton. Kumpleto sa camping gears. Pero, dahil nagtayo kami dun sa mainit na part ng tanghali. Yan, dyan sila na uwi matulog. Solid. Doon ako, yan. Carton Gaming. Alright, good afternoon guys. Nagre-ready na kami ngayon ng for dinner habang maliwanag pa. Chef Kong.
Ay, good morning mga guys.
Romano.
Magana tayo ngayon, magbobulalo by Johnny.
Mga idol.
Ano yan? Bulasing.
Bulasing by Johnny.
Bulasing by Johnny. Tapos nag-ready na rin ng bonfire. Pampainit mamaya.
Ibang painit.
Hey. Let's go.
Hey.
Diyan.
Bonfire.
Good afternoon guys. Magluluto kami ng, anong tawag dito Johnny?
Bulasing.
Bulasing? Bulalo na nilasing.
Ngayon ka na magagawa ng
Hey, ito na ang sitwasyon ngayon. Dinner, talong, tapos liempo. For bonfire tayo mamaya pag dilim. Tapos tamang coffee lang. May dala kasing coffee maker to si Marts eh. Tapos yung bulasing. Daming ulam ah. Meron pa. Ano to, kebab? Iiyawin din natin yan mamaya. Yun oh. Paano ba nire-ready yan, Johnny?
wala, isasalang na lang oil. Papahiran ng oil tapos isasalang.
Let's go, let's go!
Tik na.
Right, dinner time! Guys!
Let's go!
Mukhang gutom na itong mga to oh. Ensaladang talong, liempo, kebab, tapos may bulalo pa. Yee!
Oh my child, I know you're hurt and you can't let go. It's not your fault and you don't deserve all the bad and the hurt. I know you tried so hard. I know you've done your part. It's not fair. You did your time. How much longer will you suffer in this life? But don't give up. Just hold on tight. It'll be alright.
Good morning guys. So it's 6 AM na rito sa Mount Acato. Onti pa lang kaming gising. Yan. Lamig, malamig. Nasa 17 degrees ngayon umaga. 6 AM. Yun. Solid oh, nakabalot pa ng ng sleeping bag. Hintayin namin yung ibang mga kasama namin kasi medyo nag-enjoy sa kagabi. Pampainit nila. Yan, hintayin namin sila magising tapos prepare kami ng breakfast. Yan, let's go. Yan, breakfast na, let's go.
sa amay ng kwarto mo dyan.
Tin!
Hey.
Sino?
What's up, bro?
Si Kong, kamusta si Kong? Kong! Good morning. Breakfast, good morning, good morning. Hey!
Kain.
Ano, May?
Nakaros ka ba? Hello! Good morning mga idol.
Kain na, kain. Tapos na ang camping, pauwi na kami guys. Paalam na kayo.
Bye-bye!
Yay! Let's go!
I will tread down the lonesome track, set my eyes on the wild and won't look back. I will follow where my heart leads. Venture out to the great unknown, find a place where I can feel alive again. Throw caution to the wind. I'll find my feet on the way. I'll find my feet on the way. Climbing up from the valley below, seeing places and faces I've never known. I will